Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is my husband, Adam. Hello. I don't think we've done a video together, right? No? So today we're doing a random colors challenge, which I've seen a couple people do, but Jaclyn is most known for them. And she did one recently where her husband picked out all the colors instead. So today, my husband's gonna do that. So we have a couple palettes here. We have the Jaclyn Morphe, the BH Cosmetics Zodiac, and the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. And then I also brought out all of my single shadows, so you have some options. So,
it's intimidating.
I want you to pick out, let's do 3 mattes.
Okay.
3 mattes and 1 shimmer.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 3 mattes, 1 shimmer.
I think I know what that means.
You do. I'm pretty sure you do. And
sure.
then you're also gonna pick out my highlight. So I have highlights right here and my blush color. So we have some options for that as well. And then you're also gonna pick out my lipstick, which is that tower. Back here is all full of lipsticks. You don't need to. There we go. There you go. Now you can see all the lipsticks. That was necessary. So yeah, any of those lipsticks back there, or there's also some in that container there. There's like a bunch of liquid lipsticks and stuff. So I'm actually going to leave the room.
Oh.
Okay, and then you're going to tell the audience your thought process. Because I want to be surprised. And then when I come back, just like yell at me when you're ready.
Oh God.
And let me know what you've picked out.
Okay.
You think you can do that?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Solo camera time is making me nervous.
Okay, you have 6 minutes until the camera shuts off, so just be aware of that.
Okay. 6 minutes. Alright, we got the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Palette. The only reason I know that is because I feel like I bought most of these for her. As far as a look goes, I don't really know what I want to do with her face today. She always has all these different things going on. I don't know if I'm worthy to do all this picking. This is the Jaclyn Morphe palette. I really like this color right here. This like orangey, bright color. People do that, right? With like swatches or something. It's like a mustard. Let's cover her in mustard today. It's kind of pretty together. Oh, whoops. Not that top one up here, but those two. Kind of soft though. So yeah, Cancer, or no, let's do Gemini. It's Gemini season. So it's June right now. Gemini season. Okay. Gemini. So Gemini.
Okay.
Virgo, the pink.
The pink. Okay, yeah. That's good.
And then for the wackadoo curveball, we're gonna do this bright ass orange right here.
Ooh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So from the Jaclyn.
I like it. Mm-hmm.
And then, because those are weird colors, I didn't want to introduce like another shade with your highlight, so I was just thinking marshmallow, kind of like make it very.
Okay, that's like a white
shiny
gold.
white. Yeah, so it's not like
marshmallow.
It doesn't really add a different color.
Okay.
And then the purple butter gloss from NYX, because if you're going purple, then you're gonna go really purple.
That's a bright one.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
So.
Sounds good. And what blush did you pick?
Shit. I don't know. I didn't pick. I forgot about those.
No.
I like this one. It's pretty.
This one?
It's
okay.
got the rose.
We'll do the Milani one. Okay.
Is this how you pick? Right, like that.
Okay, sounds good.
Get to work.
I will.
You're gonna look ridiculous. I swatched my arm everywhere. Bye, guys. I'll see you on the other side of your face.
Okay, so we have quite the color palette to work with, which I'm excited about. Did you pick a shimmer?
Oh yeah. I think so. The shimmer was this one right here. Goodbye, part 2.
Okay, so we have like a pink and a purple and then an orange. I think we might just do purple on the lower lash line. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Maybe like line the top line. Alright, I think we're gonna start with Virgo. but I'm just gonna buff that in the crease. This will be like our transition shade. I always like to bring my transition shade down a little bit on the outer corner. Yeah.
I didn't mean to interrupt. I just figured you could use a strawberry mark.
Aww, thanks. Love him. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that orange shade from the Jaclyn palette on a little tapered brush. And this is kind of going to be to deepen, but I'm also going to put this actually all over the lid. Looking a little bit like strawberry shortcake or something. That's okay. Pink and the orange are blending together really nicely actually, creating like a sherbety look. Quite like that actually. I wouldn't normally think to like put these colors together in this way, but I like it. We do have that shimmer though, so I'm going to place that right on top. This is actually one of my favorite shades from this palette. Such a pretty like rose gold. I actually kind of like that. It's not like super foiled looking. And I think since it kind of covered up the orange, I'm going to take that orange on the lower lash line and we'll focus the purple mostly as a liner. Alright, we're going to go in with Gemini now, that purple shade. And I'm going to take it along the lash line. This is definitely looking like sherbet. But we are going to do a little bit of a wing too. Not like super big or anything, just a nice like soft little winged out shadow. Just gonna take a little bit of eyeshadow primer actually to clean up that wing shape. I know we already did the lower lash line, but I'm gonna go back into that orange and redo the lashes. I'm going to take that purple on the lower lashes as well. I'm going to take a little pencil brush and kind of smudge that out. Okay, so while I was waiting for my camera to cool, I finished both the wings. They're a little bit wonky today, but it's whatever because they're like nice and soft. And then I did just smoke out the lower lash line a little bit more with that purple because I felt like this it looked a little weird, just like. So, and then I think after I put my base on, I will go in with orange again. So I'm going to go ahead and do mascara, lashes, and just my base off camera, and then we'll be back to do the rest of my face. And we're back! So I just went ahead and applied some lashes, and I just applied some foundation and concealer, a little bit of bronzer. I tried out the LA Girl HD coverage foundation and it's really nice. I'm liking it. I did, they have a white one too, which is really cool, so I mixed in some of that guy, and I also tried out their yellow corrector, which I liked as well. And yeah, definitely not transfer proof because I put on a different shirt to complement the look, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's fine. So to finish up the eyes, I'm going to add a little bit more bottom mascara. This is the Pixi lower lash mascara, and then I'm gonna take Gemini on that little angle brush, and I'm just gonna put that in the waterline. And take some of that bright orange and just smoke it under the lower lashes, just to really like tie everything together. Then I'm going to take the Anastasia Glow Kit and the shade that Adam picked, which is Marshmallow, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. I love how adding the inner corner can just like tie everything together, you know? And then I'm just adding some to the brow bone. Alright, so now it's time to just finish up the face. And I take that blush. This is the Milani Rose Powder Blush. And it's a really nice, just kind of soft, muted pink. I'm going to do a little on the nose too, because why not? Then I'm going to go back into that highlighter palette. This is a really pretty highlight. I rarely use this one on its own, kind of cool to see what it looks like. I'm going to take a fluffier kind of flat brush and I'm going to buff it into the face a little bit. Favorite tricks with highlight, just to make them not look so like intense. Now here's the real trick. The NYX Intense Butter Gloss in this shade Berry Strudel. This is a bright purple, so probably should have done a lip liner. Oh well. I don't think I've worn this out before. So it's super pretty. I feel like it's gonna fade weird though. Ooh, yes. Okay. Okay, I really like that with the, it really draws out the purple from the eyes, but it still doesn't make it, it's not too matchy-matchy. Now I'm gonna set this with my Urban Decay All Nighter. And this is the finished look. Adam! Come see the look. So what do you think?
That's awesome. It's really cute.
You like it?
I do. What do you think?
I like it a lot. I think it's really pretty.
I feel like the purple and the orange and like the... I don't know. I just feel like it kind of works.
Yeah. Is it what you were expecting?
No. I don't know. I feel like it was kind of going to be more like...
Dramatic?
Yeah, like brighter, like...
Uh-huh.
I don't know. You blended it together very nicely. So
yeah.
It doesn't look like it's...
It still looks soft, but
yeah.
it's still a little bit dramatic.
No,
I really like
cool.
it.
It's cute.
Yeah, thanks, baby.
Good job.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna go get my hair done, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button and hit the bell if you want to get notified when I upload. And I'll see you all again soon.
And happy Father's Day. There's any fathers out there. I don't know.
Well, it won't be Father's Day when they watch this.
Oh.
But we're filming it on Father's Day, so happy Father's Day.
Sorry.
Bye.